Esther and I'm here to introduce you to Sports Genjutsu. Sports Genjutsu uses the short sword, Kodachi, and the long sword, Choken, in a graceful, disciplined, fun, and surprisingly easy to do. One of its greatest attractions is that it's safe, it's easy for anyone to do disregard their age. You wish to know more? Take a look for yourself and learn basic strikes from the master, Mr. Devabrata Datta.